Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you a type of video that is currently going viral on YouTube. This type of video is getting millions of views, and today I will show you how to create it using AI in the easiest way. So let's get started. The first step is to open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, take the prompt that you received, then copy it and paste it into ChatGPT. After that, you can tell ChatGPT how many ideas you want to generate. For example, you can ask for 5 video ideas. Now, ChatGPT will generate 5 different ideas for you. At this point, we already have 5 video ideas. However, these ideas may not be related to underwater videos, which is the type of video that we want to create. So we need to guide ChatGPT a little bit more. You can type this instruction: give me some ideas for underwater expedition. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate new ideas focused on underwater exploration and underwater adventure. Now, we finally have the type of idea that we want. The next step is to copy prompt number 2. Then choose one of the video ideas that you like the most. After selecting your idea, ChatGPT will generate scene prompts for your video. In this case, ChatGPT will create 5 scene prompts. Each scene prompt represents a different part of the video. For example, the first scene might show a fish swimming through aquatic plants. Another scene might show an underwater cave or a coral reef. These scene prompts help us generate the visuals for the video. Now that we have the 5 scene prompts, the next step is to open AI Flow. Inside AI Flow, we simply copy each prompt and paste it into the video generator. Then the AI will automatically generate the underwater scenes. After a short time, the AI will produce 5 different video clips. Each clip represents one scene from the prompts we created earlier. Now, we have 5 different videos. The next step is very simple. All we need to do is download the video clips. Then we open a video editor such as CapCut or any editing software that you prefer. After that, combine all 5 video clips together to create one complete video. You can also add background music, sound effects and simple transitions to make the video more interesting. Once everything is finished, your video is ready to publish. You can upload it to YouTube and share it with the world. I hope this demonstration helps you understand how to create this type of video using AI. If you follow these steps carefully, you will be able to create your own videos very easily. Thank you for watching, and I wish all of you great success with your videos.